Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin. Question 1. In Super Mario World, Mario collects 1,248 coins in World 1 and 2,675 coins in World 2. How many coins does he have in all? Here are your choices. A. 3,813. B. 3,813. C. 4,923. D. 3,923. The correct answer is D. 3,923. Add 1,248 plus 2,675. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. 4 plus 7 plus 1 equals 12. Write 2, carry 1. 2 plus 6 plus 1 equals 9. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Total equals 3,923. Question 2. In Minecraft, Steve mines 4,032 blocks of stone and shares them equally among 8 friends to build a castle. How many blocks does each friend get? Here are your choices. A. 504. B. 512. C. 540. D. 406. The correct answer is A. 504. Divide. 4,032 divided by 8. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Bring down 3. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Bring down 2. 0 divided by 8 equals 0. 4,032 divided by 8 equals 504. Question 3. In Fortnite, a battle bus carries 100 players. If 3/5 of the players land at tilted towers, how many players land there? Here are your choices. A. 65. B. 35. C. 60. D. 40. The correct answer is C. 60. Find 3/5 of 100. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. Then 20 times 3 equals 60 players. Question 4. In The Legend of Zelda, Link buys 6 shields that cost 145 rupees each. How many rupees does he spend in total? Here are your choices. A. 770. B. 870. C. 880. D. 840. The correct answer is B. 870. Multiply. 145 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Write 0, carry 3. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Write 7, carry 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Total is 870 rupees. Question 5. In Pokemon, a trainer's team of 6 Pokemon has a total of 2,346 combined HP. If the HP is shared evenly, what is the average HP per Pokemon? Here are your choices. A. 391. B. 390. C. 401. D. 381. The correct answer is A. 391. Divide. 2,346 divided by 6. 23 divided by 6 equals 3, remainder 5. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 6 divided by 6 equals 1, so 391 HP each. Question 6. In Animal Crossing, Tom Nook charges 98,000 bells for a house upgrade. Isabel already paid 45,600 bells. How much does she still owe? Here are your choices. A. 43,400. B. 52,400. C. 53,400. D. 52,600. The correct answer is B. 52,400. Subtract. 98,000 minus 45,600 equals 52,400 bells still owed. Question 7. In Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic runs a track that is 1/4 of a mile long. If he loops around it 12 times, how many miles does he run? Here are your choices. A, 6, B, 4, C, 2, D, 3. The correct answer is D, 3. Multiply. 12 times 1/4 equals 12 over 4 equals 3 miles. Question 8. In Roblox, a player earns 75 Robux each day. How many Robux will the player earn in 4 weeks, 28 days? Here are your choices. A, 2,000. B, 1,975. C, 2,100. D, 2,800. The correct answer is C, 2,100. Multiply. 75 times 28. 75 times 20 equals 1,500, and 75 times 8 equals 600. So 1,500 plus 600 equals 2,100 Robux. Question 9. In Splatoon, Team Blue covers 3/8 of the map with ink, and Team Yellow covers 2/8 of the map. What fraction of the map is inked in total? Here are your choices. A, 5/16, B, 1/8, C, 6/8, D, 5/8. The correct answer is D, 5/8. Add fractions with the same denominator. 3/8 plus 2/8 equals 5/8 of the map. Question 10. In Kirby, Kirby inhales 1,506 pieces of food across 3 levels, eating the same amount in each. How many pieces did he eat per level? Here are your choices. A, 402, B, 520, C, 502, D, 512. The correct answer is C, 502. Divide 1,506 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So 502 pieces per level. Question 11. In Among Us, a crewmate must complete 30 tasks. If she has finished 40% of them, how many tasks has she completed? Here are your choices. A, 12, B, 18, C, 10, D, 15. The correct answer is A, 12. 40% of 30 equals 30 times 40 over 100 equals 1,200 over 100 equals 12 tasks completed. Question 12. In Super Smash Bros., a tournament arena is a rectangle 24 meters long and 15 meters wide. What is the perimeter of the arena? Here are your choices. A, 39 meters, B, 78 meters, C, 360 meters, D, 70 meters. The correct answer is B, 78 meters. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus width equals 2 times 24 plus 15 equals 2 times 39 equals 78 meters. Question 13. In Stardew Valley, a farmer plants a square garden with each side 18 feet long. What is the area of the garden? Here are your choices. A, 72 square feet, B, 324 square feet, C, 288 square feet, D, 81 square feet. The correct answer is B, 324 square feet. Area of a square equals side times side equals 18 times 18 equals 324 square feet. Question 14. In Mario Kart, Peach's lap time is 1 minute 45 seconds. If she keeps this exact pace, how long does it take her to finish 3 laps? Here are your choices. A, 5 minutes 15 seconds, B, 3 minutes 15 seconds, C, 4 minutes 45 seconds, D, 5 minutes 5 seconds. The correct answer is A, 5 minutes, 15 seconds. 145 is equal to 105 seconds. 105 times 3 equals 315 seconds, equals 300 plus 15, equals 5 minutes, 15 seconds. Question 15. In Terraria, a chest holds 63 gems. A miner splits them so that for every 4 rubies, there is 1 diamond. How many diamonds are in the chest? Here are your choices. A, 15, B, 13, C, 10, D, 12. Wait, recompute. The correct answer is D, 12. Wait, recompute. For every 4 rubies plus 1 diamond equals 5 gems per group. 63 is not divisible by 5, so use 60 gems. 60 divided by 5 equals 12 groups, giving 12 diamonds. Question 16. In Overwatch, a payload must travel 240 meters. The team has already pushed it 3/4 of the way. How many meters are left? Here are your choices. A, 180, B, 80, C, 60, D, 40. The correct answer is C, 60. 3/4 of 240 equals 180 pushed, so 240 minus 180 equals 60 meters left. Question 17. In Plants vs. Zombies, each pea shooter fires 15 peas per round. If 9 pea shooters fire for 6 rounds, how many peas are fired in total? Here are your choices. A, 540, B, 900, C, 810, D, 135. The correct answer is C, 810. 15 times 9 equals 135 peas per round. Then 135 times 6 equals 810 peas total. Question 18. In Halo, Master Chief starts a mission with 500 units of shield. He loses 3/10 of it in a battle. How many shield units does he have left? Here are your choices. A, 350, B, 450, C, 150, D, 300. The correct answer is A, 350. 3/10 of 500 equals 150 lost. 500 minus 150 equals 350 shield units remaining. Question 19. In Fall Guys, 128 beans start a race. Half are eliminated in round 1, then half of the remaining beans are eliminated in round 2. How many beans remain after round 2? Here are your choices. A, 64, B, 32, C, 48, D, 16. The correct answer is B, 32. Round 1. 128 divided by 2 equals 64 remain. Round 2. 64 divided by 2 equals 32 beans remain. Question 20. In Cuphead, a boss has 1,000 health. Cuphead deals 125 damage per hit. How many hits are needed to defeat the boss exactly? Here are your choices. A, 7, B, 10, C, 9, D, 8. The correct answer is D, 8. Divide. 1,000 divided by 125 equals 8 hits to bring health to exactly 0. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.